777 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Google Play Store error. Please open my apps to establish connection with the server. Now this is a pretty simple fix, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So on your Google Play Store, you need to ensure that you have the latest version. So let's go into settings. So you need to tap on your profile icon, settings, about, and Play Store version. Now, as you can see, Google Play Store is up to date, and recently, like a few moments ago, my Google Play Store was not updated, so I had to do an update, and it will automatically update. So once you get to this section and you tap on Play Store version, if you aren't updated, it will automatically update the Google Play Store for you, and that should sometime fix the issue. Well, if that does not fix the issue, what you need to do next is to go to settings. So you could go to settings. Now you need to find apps and notifications. It's usually under the general tab. So you need to find apps and notifications. You need to search app info, and then you'd need to find the Google Play Store, and then clear cache and clear data. So let's just show all apps, and let's scroll down until we find the Google Play Store. Okay, so we have the Google Play Store right here. So what you need to do is to click on storage, and then you need to click on clear cache, clear data. So let's clear the cache, and then let's clear the data. Let's give that some time to load. And sometimes if that does not work, what you need to do next is to clear the data from the Google Play services. So the Google Play services can be found right here. So if the one for the Google Play Store does not work, you could simply go to Google Play services and clear the cache and the data just the same. And as you can see, we have quite a lot of data and all of that here. So that is a way in which you could fix the error, which saying that you need to open the app to establish connection with the server. So now that the data has been cleared, Google Play Store will load back to its default, and this should fix the issue like 9 times out of 10. And as you can see, they are notifying us as if it's the first time we are trying to use this Google account. So I hope this video was able to assist you in fixing the error which you had with whichever application you were trying to install, or if you're having issues with the Google Play Store. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Hacker 777 out.